It's in the book of John 3:16. God loved the world, he gave his son, his only son. So you can give without love, but you cannot love and fail to give. You can give without love, but you cannot love and fail to give. So where there is love, there must be giving. So we came with a gift for you and for Baba. We would really want you to know, as the people of Kiambu, we really love you. We know there have been a narrative that the people of Kiambu don't love Baba. It's not all of them. There are majority who really love him. And we are here to represent him, to represent them, isn't it? Yes. Watu wanapenda Baba kutoka Kiambu. And also we would really want you also to tell him that now ground imebadilika and he is very much welcome again and again in Kiambu County. And people have realized of all the lies that have been going out there. Now they are seeing the reality and their eyes are open. So we are here to express our love, and as we express our love, we have our gifts. So we have the cake dedicated for you and Baba, and we would like, if it's possible, you would have seen the beauty of that cake. And also this flower here is specifically for you. And so we would really want it also to be given to you officially. It is yours from the people of Kiambu. Kindly receive it from our heart and know that we really love you so much, and pass the same information also to Baba. And we would really want to have you again and again in our county. Yes. Want if you would allow us, our soloist can come hold that flower nicely.
I didn't know that you'd be here. I didn't know that you'd appear here today, but I've seen familiar faces and I'm very happy. I'm very happy because when we're talking about Valentine, I thought, now, there's no, what is all this about Valentine? Huh? Yes. The least I thought, I didn't know that Gidi would appear from nowhere. The Kiambu people. But here in the office, I also here with some of the staff of East Africa Spectre.
Okay.
Now, we start by introduction.
Yes.
Yvonne, would you like to start?
Recently joined in East Africa Spectre Limited, and
Yeah.
I hope
It's the general manager. Yeah.
Okay.
But
I'm from.
Kevin, time. I don't know what spirit urged him to call at this time. Yeah. So we were introducing you there. Yeah, so we are very grateful
Yes.
for this. Yeah, so
Yeah, from yeah.
I wish we brought. What in Njoroge? Where is our Njoroge from Kiambu?
Yes, we need to see our brother. Yeah.
There are many here.
Oh, wow, that is
I
good.
just remembered.
Yeah.
Huh?
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
So
Yes.
we are very grateful you are here.
Yeah.
I know we are going to cut the cake, but before that, nataka kupokea.
Yes. Hii cake pia uipokee.
Mm.
So what we're gonna do, we have our former mayor. They hand over this cake to you.
I'm
Wakimani. Wow.
Hiyo tunasema wewe ni mrembo kama hii maua, kama asubuhi mapema. You are so beautiful. We love you, mom. We cherish you. You are our everything. God bless you.
Thank you so much for the love that you showed me today, particularly this particular day of Valentine's Day. Now, in the morning, I was telling the staff that if nobody gives me a Valentine present, I'm going to buy a Valentine present for myself. Now I'm not going to do that now, because now I've got with loss and loss of love.
Yes.
Moja tu hii yangu hii.
We would request one more.
Is that okay? Yeah. Smile. So.
Can I take one with you, please?